How to make pancakes. First, knead 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or more to taste, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, preferably melted, and 1 large egg. Step 1. Gather all ingredients. Step 2. Sift flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt together in a large bowl. Make a well in the center and add milk, melted butter, and egg. Mix until smooth. Step 3. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or pan over medium-high heat. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle using approximately 1/4 cup of each pancake. Cook until bubbles form and the edges are dry, about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Flip and cook until browned on the other side. Repeat with the remaining batter. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. ASMR bitch.